yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kevin. Tonight we're going to do creamy steak bites tortellini with a garlic butter sauce. It calls for mushrooms, but we're not going to do mushrooms tonight. We are going to do sun-dried tomatoes instead. It's fairly quick, simple recipe, easy ingredients. We have our tortellini. We're actually using cheese tortellini. Our approximately 1 pound of steak cut into strips. And we're going to cook that. We're going to add salt, pepper, garlic powders, paprika, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That's obviously cooked the steak. 3 tablespoons of butter divided. 8 ounce. It calls for 8 ounce mushrooms. So if you're doing mushrooms, 8 ounce mushrooms. But like I said, we're going to do sun-dried tomatoes. 5 cloves of garlic minced. We are just going to use our chopped garlic that we have. It does call for heavy cream. I didn't get heavy cream, so it calls for 1 cup of heavy cream and 1 and 1/4 cup, or sorry, 3/4 cup of whole milk. Instead, I'm using 10% cream, so I'm not going to do the whole milk. I'm just going to do 1 3/4 cup of the 10% cream, and then 1 1/4 cup of freshly grated Parmesan. So we have some of that there. Basically, we're gonna cook the steak. We're actually gonna cook the steak. We're gonna cook it with the sun-dried tomatoes and the seasonings. Then we're gonna put that aside. We're gonna then make our sauce, and then we'll add the steak and the sun-dried tomatoes back into it to finish it up. Okay, that's it for over here. I'm gonna bring everybody over to the stove. All right, we're gonna add in our meat. All right, add a little bit of paprika. Some salt. Some pepper. A little bit of garlic powder. There we go. And we're just going to cook this up. Now, after I do cook this, I'm probably going to cut some of this meat down so it's a little bit better bite size. Okay, when I'm ready to make the sauce, I will bring everyone back. We are now going to make our sauce. So we're just going to do about half of what they want the garlic. Right now, we're just gonna let that cook down. Okay. Now we're going to add in our butter. Get this melted down. And we're going to add in the remaining, call for the garlic. All right, now we're going to add in our cream. We're just going to bring that up, let it simmer. All right, now we're going to add in our parm. And then we're going to add in our steak and sun-dried tomatoes back in. Now I'm not going to add all of it back in because it was much more than a pound. Probably about half. Right about there. Now, this hasn't thickened up as much as I would like because we didn't use heavy whipping cream. Okay. Okay, it's done. Not as good as I thought. I've made other cream sauces and I think I've cut back on the Parmesan cheese. And my fault, but the heavy whipping cream, the heavy cream.
It's okay. It's good.
It tastes all right. It's not, didn't come out creamy because I think the Parmesan cheese has overpowered the sauce.
I don't know. It's got a nice flavor though.
Yes.
So
the flavor's fine, just the presentation.
that's all right. It tastes yummy.
So that's it. I don't know what else we have on the books. I believe Saturday we're heading out to Morden.
Hopefully.
Weather permitting. I think it'll be fine. It's just gonna be very cold this weekend. But, all right. Okay. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you later.
Yesterday